Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Esberg, to our Uhuhöhle for the next 2 weeks. In the previous video, I show you how to marinate the pork. It's already, and I let it here. Now I'm going to cook our first course for today's evening's big dinner, very big dinner. First, I add some olive oil because the typical Shanghai dish, they have the 菜油 from the pak choy seed, the 菜油. And today we found the green peas from peas, the sprouts. This is Shanghainese, but the Shanghai people, they only use the green one. Don't use the peas and stuff below. So we just cut it. So this is our harvest. It's very fragrant. So now this dish in Shanghai is in the summer. It's Shanghai's summer, really. And in the summer we get this. We only eat that, and the original thing is 酒香豆苗. It's alcohol fragrance is with sake or with the Chinese rice wine. The alcohol fragrant fried pea spots. So now I'm going to make this dish. Power max. I use the max. And then the oil is in. It should be very quick. This is the first time I cook with this. With the first dish. The first dish is for me is like a laboratory. So I use my hand to feel the temperature. Here the one thing is temperature, but I never know how high the temperature is. So the number doesn't help me. And then I can use the maximum watt. That is what the stove gives me. And at home we have with boost, I think 3,000. Now it's 200. Okay, now it's ready. The sprouts should get oil. The alcohol plays the role of water. Normally you need some water to get the heat through, so I use the alcohol. And then just a little bit of salt. It's ready. The first dish is ready. I think it's less than 1 minute. Here, the first course of our big dinner. Michael, it's ready.